In this video, you'll learn how to redeem an eBay gift card effectively. By following these steps, you will be able to apply the gift card balance to your purchases seamlessly. Begin by logging into your eBay account. You can do this by navigating to the eBay website and entering your username and password in the designated fields. Once you are logged in, browse the platform for items you wish to purchase. It is essential to ensure that the items you select are eligible for payment using gift cards. After finding a product you like, click on the Add to Cart button. This action prepares your selected item for checkout, allowing you to review the price, shipping details, and seller information before proceeding. Next, once you have added all desired items to your cart, navigate to the checkout page. Look for the option to pay with a gift card or coupon during the payment process. Here, you will be prompted to enter the gift card redemption code exactly as it appears on the card. Some gift cards may also require you to enter a PIN for verification. It is crucial to double check the code for accuracy to avoid any errors. After entering the information, the system will automatically validate the gift card balance. Once the gift card value is successfully applied, take a moment to review the updated order summary. If the gift card covers the entire cost of your items, you can proceed to complete the purchase directly. In cases where the gift card balance is lower than the total amount due, you will need to select another payment method for the remaining balance. This may include options like credit or debit cards or PayPal. Confirm that all details are correct before finalizing your order. After confirming your order, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment has been processed. This message serves as a receipt for your transaction. Your order will then transition to the shipping stage, where you can track its progress. Make sure to keep an eye on the shipping details provided in your account for updates on delivery. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.